Morning class 10. Welcome to computer class. I'm your teacher Nitish Kumar. Today, actually, in our previous video, we read about the chapter number 2, part 1. This is the part 2 of that video. Actually, we left a little portion about this chapter. So, we start one more time. The MS Word. In this chapter, we read about how to fill a picture, how to improve our picture, or how to improve some designs in a picture. So how can we insert a picture first? For this one, you have to go in Insert tab, choose the pictures from the illustration group. Now where you have to store the picture, go at that place. I am storing here image. Whenever you store, go at there and choose the picture, any picture which you want. I am choosing this one. Now picture is on the screen. Whenever we have a picture, automatic a format is generated known as Format tab. When we go outside, the Format tab is gone. When we click on the image one more time, the Format tab comes. The Format tab gives us all the options for a picture. For example, removing background. Yes, we can remove the background of any picture. It takes too much time. Actually, it's take little time for doing this one. We have to set the background which we want to remove, and then again click keep change. Now you see the background is gone, only the picture is here. Okay, but in this photo I don't want to remove the background, so for Control Z for our background again, whole picture is gone, so we have to take one more time the pictures. This time I'm taking this one, no problem. So this is the picture with the Format tab. Now we want to change the brightness of the picture. There is so many options. We can change the brightness. As you see, when I go in any area, it's changed the brightness of the picture. Now the color, we can easily change the color of the picture with this thing. We can also create our own. Okay, as you see in the picture. Now look at the picture, it's completely different from the previous one. Which something effects is also available. Look, there's so many effects. We have to change in a original color. This is not looking good. This is our original color. Now the effects. Wait for a second, the effects is loading. Now look the effect. There is so many effects we are using for the pictures. Okay, any one of you click and the effect is changed with this effect. Now you see there is a more better effect than the previous one, I think. Okay, now we have so many other things for framing a picture. There is so many type of frames: a circle frame, portrait frame, photo frame. There is so many type of pictures. And one more thing, our picture is not moving too much like we want to move it. Okay, so for this type of effect we have to do one important thing. It's known as the wrapping, text wrapping. Text wrapping means, go to the here, we are generally choosing the square. Every time actually we are choosing a square. You can also choose the top and bottom, but I am choosing square. After choosing square, my picture will move very smoothly anywhere where we want. Okay, this is the way how to use a picture in, or how to insert a picture in MS Word. Now how can we insert some shapes in MS Word? So for this one we also go in the Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab. First click anywhere in the page, any blank area on the page. Go in the Insert tab. Choose the shapes. There is so many shapes. You can choose it. Choose any shape from here. I am choosing. Okay, I am choosing this one. And it's draw like a paint. हम लोग पेंट में क्या करते थे, कोई पिक्चर लेते थे और इसको ड्रॉ करते थे, बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही. Press the left mouse button and drag it on your page. When we drag it, then we have the shape. Then we can change the color. We also have the format for this tab, this shape. When we click outside, the format is gone. When we click on this one, then we have the format. There is also background color. If we want to change the background color, then there is a background color. There is so many designs, so many effects, shape effects. All these things we also do this with the pictures also. Look this one. These are the effects which we are using: the glow effect, 3D effect. Okay. 3D effect. These are the effects which we do with the any shape or any picture. We can easily write anything on this one. For doing right now, I am clicking the right mouse button and add text, and then we can write anything on this. Okay. When we writing, then this format is also active. We can choose any format from this one. And one more thing, we can increase the size also, because it's too small for this one. I'm increasing the size. There is also some effects if you want to give in. Now this one, this is the effect which I choose for this one. This red line is not showing when you print a document. One more thing, how can we print a document? The last topic. How can we print a document? For printing any type of document, go in a file tab and choose print option. Choose print option. I am choosing print option, and then choose your printer. For example, I am using the Brother DCP, so it's connected. If you want to choose another, then click here and choose the another printer. I am choosing the Qt PDF Writer, and then click on print. It easily give to a print option. Now some more things is also given. In our design tab, we have three options: watermark, page color, and page border. Watermark. I am choosing any one of them, or you can create like custom watermark. Go in a text wrapping. On the text, ASAP, write anything. For example, I am writing NKR. Apply. Then OK. Now your name is on the background. I am show you. Look, the NKR is on the background. We can write anything on this one very easily. Look, we can write anything on this one very easily. Page border, the last one. We can give the any type of border on the page, from this one, like this one. Okay. There is so many function also given in the page border. If I want to don't give the upside, then I remove the upside. If I don't want the bottom side, then I remove the bottom side. Now I want the on the bottom side, then I give the bottom side. I don't want to the left side, then I remove the left side. So this type of format also given. We can using also the line. There is so many other function is also given. The line, another shapes. Okay. Okay. Also the color for the lines. I want the different color for my line, then I choose the different color for my line. These things also given in the page border. Page color, it's for the page color. Okay. We can in page color we can also put the picture with the fill effect. There is a pattern, picture, so many things you can put it. Select a picture for the background, work offline. If you have this type of situation, choose any picture for the background, click on OK. Now we have a picture on the background. This is on the background, right? Look, we can write easily on this one. There is no problem at all. Okay. This is a picture for the background, like a white page. A white page have a background of white color, and when we choose a picture, then it is the background for the picture. Okay. So chapter number 2 is complete for you, class 10, and thank you for watching this video and also subscribe the channel.